Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and welcome to our holiday card making deconstructed box titled Merry Everything. Oh! These projects are bright and fun and silly, and that is because everyone can stand a little bit more joy this holiday season, and I'm so thrilled to share them with you. Now you might be wondering, what is a deconstructed box? Well, what we wanted to offer is basically a choose your own adventure in terms of what you need for these supplies. So what that means is the education will be sold separately, the paint will be sold separately, the cards will be sold separately, the tape will be sold separately, and then you guys get to choose what you need in order to do these cards, okay?
Perfect.
Now for the education, you will receive all 5 videos, designs, and everything for these cards, okay? And when it comes to the supplies are going to be a pre-order basis. So the education is going to be available like always. Like once it's up there, it's there, and the videos were released in September. For the supplies though, if you want those, and that is a pre-order basis, you need to get your order in for those between the 17th and the 31st, the end of the month, and those will ship in September, okay?
Okay.
Now for the paint, you can even buy the individual tubes if you already have some of these colors, or you can buy the whole set. I will say that when it comes to the paint, you're going to notice that they're a higher price point than where you can get it on like Amazon and Blick. And that's just because the reality is, as a small business, we can't get this set of paint for cost what they're selling it for, and I am not exaggerating. So in order for us to not lose money, it has to be a higher price point. Like that's just reality. If you're on a budget though, and you're like, I don't have, that's fine. Don't stress. We understand. It's okay. But for those who are in a position that can order this paint from us, we wanted to do a special thank you. So if you order the whole set of paint, you will get these 2 card bonus tutorials.
They're so cute.
Aren't they so cute?
Yes.
Look at the llama. I can't even get over it. And this is just to acknowledge that, like, we know it's not fun having to spend a bit more money on supplies. And it means a lot that you're willing to support us. So this is us thanking you for that. Now, let's say you're an international customer and supplies are really tricky because shipping is so expensive. You can still purchase these bonus tutorials separately. So don't stress about that. It really is an experience where you guys can pick and choose what you need to paint these cards. Okay?
All right.
That's why we're calling it a deconstructed, because then you guys just choose what you need. So just to recap, we have the pre-order for the supplies from the 17th to the 31st. Those will start shipping in September. The education is just going to be available on our website, the bundle of these 5 tutorials and the bonus. The tutorials will actually release in September when the supplies ship. Okay?
Perfect.
I'm super excited to offer this for you. We hope that it makes it much easier for you to curate your own experience when it comes to these holiday cards. And honestly, they're just fun. I cannot wait to show you how to paint with gouache, show some new techniques, and basically just create and spread joy this holiday season. Thank you so much. Bye.